Okay, today we are studying division of whole numbers with two-digit divisors, and we're specifically drawing pictures today with base 10 blocks. We're going to use quick pictures, and we've already worked in class with the actual base 10 blocks, so now we're ready to draw the picture. We're going to number crunch and solve the algorithm tomorrow, but today we're going to really focus on the number sense and building that array to show the relationship between the multiplication and division. So a big key is to start with the dividend value whenever we're dividing with whole numbers and drawing base 10 block arrays. So I'm going to open this up and we're going to draw our array in the box on the right hand side. So the first one I'm going to start with is 156 divided by 12. My dividend is 156. And I already have 156 in base 10 blocks set out. So my units are going to be equal to 1. We call those tater tots in class. So each tater tot is 1, each french fry is 10, and each pancake is 100. So I'm going to start with, I need to put them in groups of 12 because that's my divisor. So I'm going to redraw my 10 by 10 base 10 block on the right side, and I'm going to cross it out because I've used it. This is 10 groups of 10 to start with, but I need groups of 12. So I can turn 2 of these 10s sideways under here. So now I have columns of 12. And this is already 10 columns of 12. But I haven't used all my pieces. Okay? And I can tell that it's 12 this way. Oops. Okay, because that square is a 10 by 10 square. Okay, so I have 10 columns of 12, and I have these blocks left that I have to put into a column. So I'm going to take this 10 and start to make an 11th group of 12. And then I can use 2 of these ones to make another group of 12. And I'm going to cross them off as I use them. Then I'm going to use this 10. And another 2 ones to make another group of 12. Then I'm going to use this 10. And another 2 ones to make another group of 12. And so that is 11, 12, 13 groups of 12. So if I was able to make 13 groups of 12, then 156 divided by 12 equals 13. Good. Okay, let's try another one. I'm going to try and zoom in a little bit this time. Okay, 154 divided by 14. So remember, I need to make groups of 14 because that's my divisor. My dividend is 154. So I've already started with a set of blocks that equal 154. I'm going to use this because it's a 10 by 10. So I'm going to draw my big pancake, my 10 by 10 square. And I need groups of 14. So I'm going to cross this off because I used it. And then I'm going to transfer some of my 10 groups down here so that I can have columns of 14. So this is 10 across, so I have 10 groups of 14. And I have some more blocks to work with. And with these blocks, I can make another group of 14. That 10 and 4 ones make another group of 14. So I have 11 groups of 14. So I know that 154 divided by 14 is 11 because there are 11 groups of 14. All right, remember we're going to number crunch tomorrow, so no number crunching tonight.